Oh. So this is the Batmobeast. This thing is huge. Was not expecting it to be as large as it was, but it is huge. This is going to work perfect for the Marvel figures as well as the DC line. This is one of the wow, Sabretooth. I blanked there for a second. So for size comparison, that is the Sabretooth, and this is a headless Valaverse for size comparison. This shell can come off. We're going to open this up. The shell comes off and you can actually insert your figure. If you upgrade and you get the gold label, if you're still able to find the gold label out there, the gold label comes with the Batman for the Batmobeast in the death metal theme. And you see there. But we're going to go ahead and open this up. I'm actually going to be using it for the G.I. Joe Dreadnok line. I'm going to 3D print the parts and accessories for it. But this makes a great addition to a display or a collection, or if you just want to spoil yourself. Has your collector's card in the back. Go ahead and cut that off. Let's do it this way. And then, so with the line that's out there for this stuff, and I actually just cut the corner off, so that wasn't good. If you're a collector, careful, because you don't want to do that. People are like, oh my gosh, you damaged it. It'll be okay. For me, anyway. So let's get this bad boy out of the box. This thing is huge. Packaged very well. Snips cut. Should come right off. There we go. Nothing left in there. And once again, for size comparison, I like it too. It's not. That's sturdy plastic. The tires are rubber. Absolutely playable for kids if you want, if that's what you're getting it for a gift. It's absolutely playable. Once again, if you're getting it as a collection piece or something for a diorama, then it's the perfect addition. I'll be removing this entire shell, and the shell is just held in with plastic cotter pins, or clip pins. Same kind of clip pins that are in the RC cars. And that pops off here. And let's take a look here. Oh, check that out. Okay, so the motor is your clip. To hold it into place on here. I'm going to have to take a look at that. Oh wait, there it is. So it just looked like it's just supposed to push down. Alright, well I'll play with that later to get this off, because I definitely want to take the blower and put the blower back on the motor. But once again, There's your frame, good solid frame. Gives you full, look, you can turn the steering wheel. Doesn't turn the wheels, but steering wheel is movable. You can paint this. You can do whatever you want with the color frame on it itself. For the collectors out there, diorama builders, size-wise. Sabertooth. Gonna drive it for now. There you go. And then you can go ahead and you can set yourself up and do anything else you want on there. You can mount your stuff on there, put stuff on the sides, your accessories. Once again, I'm gonna make it the Dreadnok vehicle. It's gonna have armor on the sides, be blue and red framed out when it's done. But definitely a great addition. Built tough. Screws all over the place, holding everything into place, and not loose, nothing rattling. Batmobeast.